program, our curriculum makes sure students have different experience, of starting a business. That's the entrepreneurship curriculum, right? So this class is part of that overall experience we want to let the students to have. This class, we want to use a framework called design thinking to carry out an innovative solution. Right, so innovation here, the definition of that innovation in the class setting is it has to be desirable, people need that, people willing to buy that, and also feasible, so innovation product, right? So it has to be achievable with current technology. And the last piece is you need to have a sustainable business model.
A Makerspace general concept is kind of like an open source, open plan workspace, collaborative work environment. It's a nationwide, international concept really. And the goal is really to democratize the tools, the technology, and give people access to things that they might not otherwise be able to get in touch with. The collaborative aspect of it, the creative aspect of a Makerspace is really what makes it shine, and that's brought by the community. Innovation Lab is helping the Makerspace develop content and sort of create itself with the help of the Center for Entrepreneurship. One of the beauties, one of the nice things about this course is that it focuses more on process rather than product. And so really the culmination of what they're going to achieve here is about all the stages of innovation that you have to go through, all the failures.
We're currently working on a new way to get spread, jams, and jellies, as well as peanut butter out of a jar. This is completely different. It's really integrating the performance-based learning, which is Millikin's motto, into their classes, and it's fantastic. I'm applying what I'm learning in the classes to develop an actual product that we're eventually going to take to the market.
And we just made a question out of it. So how can we solve this problem? And not thinking about a solution right away, but first start off with a problem and then we come up with our first prototype soon. I had no idea what to expect, but it sounded like we had to create a product, and it was completely new to me because I've learned a lot about theory, starting a business, and how to market a product or whatever, but I've never actually created a product. So when I'm arriving in this class, I expected that we would be creating a product, but I had no idea how. But now we're getting into it, we learn new software tools like Tinkercad. I've never been working in such kind of tools, so we're actually creating a product, and that's what I was expecting.
We do have a plan at the very beginning, right? So we kind of evenly distribute the course load at the very beginning. And then I find myself more suitable for the classroom lecture, letting students do some class discussion exercise. And I find that Jesse is really good at, has got those hands-on experience, coaching the students with a prototype. So I think they not necessarily, craft something, right? But it's really got this design thinking mindset in their mind, right? So they know how to pivot, how to, consider the customer first, consumer's need first. We are really proud of this class and proud of ourselves. We can offer such great experience for students.
So hopefully the value that they get is starting to see things from a different perspective, understand that design is more about providing for others, solving problems on a larger scale than what that you maybe initially brought to the class as kind of your core concerns, and a broadening of perspectives.